Hello everyone, and welcome again to your daily dose of Amazon kitchen finds. Please don't forget to like the video, it really helps me a lot. The Stem Gem Strawberry Huller. Quickly and easily remove stems from strawberries and other soft fruits and vegetables. It's a fun tool for the whole family and keeps hands safe during food prep. The Gorilla Meat Tenderizer. This powerful and strong tool features a dual-sided stainless steel head and an easy-to-grip handle. It will help you break down even the toughest cuts of meat, ensuring every bite is tender and delicious. The Jar Opener 4. Say goodbye to stubborn jar lids with our stainless steel jar opener. It's mounted under your cabinet, saving counter space and ensuring it's always within reach. Installation is a breeze with included adhesives and screws. The Koyas Vacuum Sealer. Say goodbye to food waste with our vacuum food sealing system. Keep your meals fresh up to 7 times longer, and customize vacuum pressure with the pulse function. Prep meals faster and save both time and money. The Wyatt Cheese Slicer. Create perfect cheese slices from paper thin to 0.25 inches thick with our durable cheese slicer. It's perfect for various cheese types and makes a great addition to your kitchen. The Zule Kitchen Meat Chopper. Chop, mix, blend, and smash with ease using our hamburger chopper. It's a versatile tool for various kitchen tasks, and its heat-resistant design ensures even cooking. The Bisque Kitchen Soap Dispenser. Keep your kitchen organized with our dish soap dispenser set. It dispenses soap and includes compartments for brushes, sponges, and more. It's both functional and stylish. The Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener. Make kitchen tasks a breeze with our automatic can opener. With a 60-watt motor and stainless steel cutting blade, it effortlessly tackles cans of all sizes. Plus, the built-in knife sharpener keeps your blades in top condition. The Sleepy Spoon Rest. Keep your countertops clean and organized with our spoon and lid holder. It prevents spills and includes a bonus silicone lid lifter. It's a multifunctional kitchen gadget that's easy to clean and store. The Over-the-Sink Colander. This multi-purpose colander is a game-changer in the kitchen. Stretch it over your sink to rinse, drain, thaw, or air dry. It's adjustable to fit most sinks and prevents food from falling down the drain. The Pepper Grinder Set. Elevate your culinary creations with our USB rechargeable pepper grinder set. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these grinders ensure the perfect grind consistency every time. Adjust the coarseness level to your liking and enjoy fresh ground spices effortlessly. The Corn Peeler. Say goodbye to messy corn shucking. Our corn peeler quickly and cleanly removes corn from the cob. It's made of sturdy stainless steel, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. The Cassini Marshmallow Roaster. Enjoy the cozy fire pit vibe indoors with our deluxe s'mores kit. It includes a flameless heater, compartments for sharing, roasting forks, and more. Make lasting memories at family gatherings or parties. The Xylus Cheese Grater. Grate hard and soft cheeses, chocolate, nuts, and more with ease using our rotary cheese grater. It's designed for quick and effortless grating, and the handle folds for compact storage. The Jar Meat Tenderizer. Be a professional chef in your own kitchen. This tool creates tiny channels within the meat, making it tender and reducing cooking time. Its detachable design ensures easy cleaning, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. The reusable silicone storage bags. Your health is our priority. These food-grade silicone bags are leak-proof and keep your food fresh without any odors or flavors mixing. Use them for food storage, home organization, or even travel. The OXO Good Grip Straw. Organize your kitchen tools with ease. Our large, open area is perfect for irregular-shaped or long-handled utensils. Adjustable dividers allow for customization, and the storage cup is ideal for small items. The Salad Spinner. Turn salad prep into a breeze with our 3-in-1 multifunctional kitchen gadget. Wash, dry, and serve salads with ease. Built-in drainage ensures mess-free use. The Bicycle Pizza Cutter. Slice your pizza in style with our bicycle-shaped pizza cutter. It features dual stainless steel blades and a lifelike design. It's perfect for pizza lovers and makes a unique gift. The Tuvalo Silicone Plunger. Make pouring batter a breeze with our baking scoop. It prevents drips and spills, ensuring a mess-free baking experience. It's also a versatile kitchen gadget for multiple uses. The Ice Cube Tray with Lid. Say goodbye to traditional ice cube molds. Our innovative design allows you to release 28 square ice cubes with the push of a button. The included clear storage box keeps your ice cubes fresh and odor-free, while the ice scoop makes serving a breeze.